Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have a pre-owned 2015 Yamaha YZF-R3. This entry-level sport bike has just under 9,700 miles on it and has been through our 25-point inspection. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you. This bike has been tipped over on both sides. This right here, the crack in the front fender, is probably the worst of it all. So the tire's still in good shape, got some miles left on them. They've added a dark tinted windscreen. As you can see, we've got some damage on the edge of the mirror here, up here on the cowl, as well as on the adjustable lever and the bar end. And it looks like the Akrapovic pipe that they put on it took a little scraping as well. The other thing is we've got a bent rear brake, but it works. The bike also comes with an integrated tail and a fender eliminator. And as you can tell by that back tire, that's in really good shape. This side, I would say the left side probably hit the ground just a little harder. We've got a small crack in the tail right here around this bolt. We have some scrapes on the middle fairing, as well as on the bar end. Again, an adjustable lever and some scrapes on the mirror. Got the front cowl in the same spot again too. So, like I said, to me, probably the worst spot is that front fender. Miles are 9673 is what's on it. This 2015 Yamaha YZF-R3 is a pre-owned motorcycle, which means it's been through our 25-point inspection. Thank you for shopping. SimplyRideUSA.com.